If you're looking to upgrade your Dell PowerEdge R630, the ATEC 64GB kit, 2x32GB, DDR4 PC4-19200 2400 MHz ECC registered RDIMM is a fantastic choice. This memory kit is specifically designed for servers, offering robust performance and reliability. The modules are ECC registered, which means they provide error correction to ensure data integrity, a crucial feature for server environments. Each module operates at 2400 MHz, ensuring fast data transfer rates, which is essential for high-performance computing tasks. ATEC's 64GB kit is equivalent to Dell's OEM part number SNPCPC7GC32G, ensuring seamless compatibility and integration with your PowerEdge R630. One of the standout features of this kit is its ease of installation. The design is optimized for maximum compatibility with Dell servers, so you can expect a hassle-free upgrade process. When upgrading server memory, it's critical that all modules are of the same ECC type. This ATEC kit meets that requirement, ensuring your system functions correctly without any compatibility issues. The memory modules are 288-pin DIMMs and operate at a low voltage of 1.2 V, which helps reduce power consumption and heat generation, contributing to overall system efficiency. ATEC also offers a genuine lifetime warranty on this memory kit, providing peace of mind and underscoring the quality and durability of their product. In addition, they provide toll-free technical support, so help is readily available if you encounter any issues or have questions about the installation process. Overall, this ATEC 64GB kit is an excellent investment for anyone looking to enhance the performance of their Dell PowerEdge R630. With high-speed performance, reliable ECC-registered memory, and easy installation, this kit delivers everything you need to keep your server running smoothly and efficiently. Whether you're managing a data center or a smaller server setup, the ATEC 64GB kit is designed to meet your demands and exceed expectations. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.